Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download Firefox on your MacBook for free. First, open any browser you're already using, like Safari or Google Chrome. Then, in the search bar, type Firefox download and hit enter. Make sure that you're clicking on the official Mozilla website to avoid installing a wrong file. Now, once you're on the site, click the Download Firefox button. Once this pops up, press Allow to download the file. Then, it will start downloading on the top right part of your browser. As for me, I'm using Safari, so I'll click on the download icon on the top right. Once the download is finished, click on the file to open it. Then this tab will open. All you need to do is drag the Firefox icon into your Applications folder. This part is important. Don't skip it or it won't install properly. Once it's done, go to Finder and open your Applications folder. Scroll down and open Firefox. If you get a pop-up, just click on Open. Then Firefox will open, and you can finally use this as your browser on your MacBook. Once you're done downloading, you can drag Firefox to your dock for quick access. And don't forget to drag the Firefox installer to your trash since you won't need it anymore. And that's how to download Firefox on your MacBook. Super quick and easy. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.